Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Terminator 2D no fade game crashing, stuck on loading screen, not launching, lagging, facing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for a device manager. Now expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once your graphics drivers are updated, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now in the launch option you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, come back, type -DX12 and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If this also doesn't resolve, now come back, remove the launch option and go to the next method. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Select it, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If this also doesn't resolve, again come back, uncheck all of these, click on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings and here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here select the application and add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Check for updates and this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So you are suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game without any further problem. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under process tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. Now select them. After selecting, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app from your system that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, copy this link and paste it in your browser. I have already provided this link in the description. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. After the link is downloaded, open it. Now click on repair or install option and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now click on close and after that restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game. Now after selecting the game, here you have to click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Terminator 2D no fade game. So if the error still continues, then reinstall the game once. But before doing it, make sure to back up all the data settings that is linked with this game. So select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once, and then again launch Steam and reinstall Terminator 2D no fade game once again, and click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.